Welcome! In this video, we'll explore how to effectively use mathematical formulas in Microsoft Excel, complete with practical examples. Excel is more than just a spreadsheet. It's a powerful calculator capable of handling everything from basic arithmetic to complex statistical analysis. Learning the formulas is key to unlocking this potential. Excel is incredibly powerful because it allows you to organize data clearly, perform instant calculations on large data sets, and reuse formulas efficiently across your workbook. Let's start with the foundation, basic arithmetic. In Excel, you use specific operators for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Remember that all Excel formulas must begin with an equals sign. For arithmetic, use the plus sign for addition, minus for subtraction, and the asterisk for multiplication. For addition, you can use the plus operator, like A1 plus A2, or the highly recommended sum function, which lets you easily total a range of cells, such as equals sum A1 colon A5. Subtraction uses the standard minus sign. For example, to find the difference between two cells, you'd type equals A1 minus B1. This is often used for calculating net values or changes. Multiplication requires the asterisk symbol, asterisk. To calculate the product of cells B2 and C2, your formula would be equals B2 asterisk C2. This is essential for things like calculating costs or taxes. The forward slash is used for division. If you need to find the average cost by dividing total cost in A3 by the quantity in B3, you would use equals A3 slash B3. Just like in standard mathematics, Excel follows the order of operations, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and division before addition and subtraction. To ensure calculations are performed in the correct sequence, always use parentheses. For example, to add two cells before multiplying, you must write equals parentheses A1 plus B1 plus C1. Without parentheses, Excel might incorrectly prioritize multiplication or division. Remember the order. PEMDAS is crucial for accurate, complex formulas. Beyond basic operators, Excel offers hundreds of built-in functions to perform advanced mathematical tasks quickly. A common function is average, which calculates the arithmetic mean of a range of cells. Simply type equal average A1 colon A10 to find the average of those 10 cells. The min function quickly finds the smallest number in a cell range, while the max function finds the largest. These are invaluable for identifying outliers or extremes in your data. Need square roots or exponents? Use SQRT for square roots, like equals SQRT A1, and power to raise a number to an exponent, such as equals power A2, 3 for A2 cubed. Understanding cell references is fundamental, especially when copying formulas. Let's look at relative versus absolute references. Relative references change when a formula is copied to other cells. Absolute references, however, remain constant, which is essential when referencing a fixed value, like a tax rate. To make a cell reference absolute, use the $ before the column letter and row number. For example, $B, $1 will always refer to cell B1, even if you drag the formula elsewhere. You've covered the basics of using mathematical formulas in Excel, from simple arithmetic to absolute cell referencing. Remember the core concepts. The equals sign starts every formula, use parentheses for order of operations, and leverage functions like sum, average, and the min-max pair. To advance further, explore statistical functions like COUNTIF or logic functions like IF. Practice these fundamental concepts, and you'll soon be an Excel math expert.